Within Zoho Books, we can create some custom views which allow to be seen only by yourself, by select others, or by all users. The custom view is useful if you don't want to generate a report, you don't want to create lots of filters, you literally just want to see some ring-fence data. So let's see, let's create one on sales, and we can choose our invoices down here. So we have generic custom views, so we have all invoices or those that are drafts. So when we select this, it just sees the draft invoices. Now what we can do is we can create our custom view. So we go to new custom view. So let's say that we want the due date of invoices that fall after today. So ones that I know that I need to be chased. So I can filter on any of these that are given here. So invoice due date, and I'm going to say is after today's date. Now you can select relative dates, so like the end of the month or the end of the week, or 7 days after the end of the week, or whatever it may be. But for the purpose of this demo, I will just choose today. I go created by is, and I go I test. So down the bottom here, it gives you everything down here on the left-hand side that you can pull through to the right. So this is your available columns of ones that you want to show on your report, and these are ones that will show on your report. So it's all very well having the date and the invoice and the status and the amount, but actually I want to know the customer name because I know who I've got to contact. Now it might also be useful to have the email address or the phone number so that I know straight up on my screen who I need to call or what the email is. And at the moment I'm going to make this only visible to me. So if I hit save, I now, out of all my invoices, have found just one that's been created. So now I've got the email address that I can send this to, and I'm well aware that this is an invoice that's outstanding. At any point, these custom fields can be changed, so we can easily edit this and say, actually, I want it to fall after the end of June, for example. And then it gives us all the different invoices that are on there. Now, straight away we can see here that the due date is falling after the end of June. However, some of these have been paid. So again, we can toggle this and we can add the status is overdue. So here we go. We've just got the 3 here that need to be chased. So this is quite an easy way to be able to just ring fence a number of invoices criteria within books. So you can do this on packages as well. You just create a custom field. Go to list view. And sales orders even. So wherever these are, we just create this custom view, credit notes, create the custom view. And again, it can also be done on purchases as well. Just looking at that and creating a custom view.